We are going to see how we can trade in zinc, copper and crude oil in a single presentation. Let us begin with zinc mini. This is the market opening. Zinc mini, yesterday zinc mini opened around 98.8. This is the zone where the market opened, which is above the previous day's close, and also see just below that, comparing to that, below the average. So we expected there will be some selling in the market. So this is after the opening, the market tried to drop down and it took the resistance at 99, and it consolidated for a long period. See, there is a huge consolidation. Once it broke this resistance and it tried to move higher, and it reached 99.6 and it couldn't sustain there, then it fell and tested this 98 support. So many times we have mentioned that 98 is going to be a major support where the market can swing both the ways. So after taking 98, the market really had a very good support at 98, and then it went higher and closed higher. Today we are expecting zinc mini to open around 99.2. So this indicates that the market took the good support, and also the closing is higher, and also the opening is near the previous day's closing. So that can indicate that the market, there is some buying in the market, and you can expect some buying also. This consolidation should be supported, because if there is a buy trend, if we expect a zinc market to go higher, it should be supported by copper market. If you see copper market, it is a total consolidation. Then in the next presentation we will be seeing about copper market. So in this type of consolidation, there is no other go other than just closely monitor the market price movements and follow the support and resistance. Only support and resistance can guide us towards profit. So today what we can do is that we can make this 98 as a reference, and we can go for a buying. Whatever is happening below 98, you can place a stop loss and you can go for a selling also. So today our strategy can be buy till 98 and keep 99, 97.8 or 97.6 as a stop loss, and you can go reversal also. If the market is dropping down, you can go short also below this 98 zone. And you can expect, if the price is going higher, you can expect 100.2 and 101.2, because the market is consolidating for a long period, so it can give a very good swing if any side is going to break. So let us see what is going to happen today. We prefer buying in zinc mini. So let us see. And then the next presentation we can see about copper market. In this presentation we are going to see about copper. See, this is the copper market opening, yesterday's opening. The market opened very much lower. See, this is the previous day's opening and closing, and the market opened near the previous day's closing, more or less near that. So we expected copper market to go down. So see what happened. In the opening there was some buying, and see, this is the zone where we mentioned that this 404 and 406, this can be a major zone. Till 406 you can go for a selling. The market exactly went till 406 and near this zone, and then it took the resistance and completely dropped till the opening. And from the opening it took the support and consolidated again in the same zone. This 404 and 402, this is the zone where the market is consolidating for a very long period of time. So whenever you see that when the market is breaking 404, you can see some good buying, and also it is not sustaining there. That is a major reason. If the price is going to break this 404 and is going to higher, we can expect some buying also. And also today copper is expected to open in the same zone. We are expecting copper to open in the same zone. So this is a very tough call for copper, but we can favor buying. Today what we are expecting is, since the opening, this zone, because this is a 50-50 probability for buyers and sellers. If the market is not going to break 404 and is going to stay down, then it can go for a selling. If it is going to break this, then it can go for a buying. That is the case, because it is a very narrow consolidation zone. So we can buy till 402, and you can have 401 as a stop loss, and kindly closely monitor copper market, because this is a very long consolidation for 2 weeks. So whenever the market is going to break any side, it can go show a very good price movement. So let us see what's going to happen copper, but we prefer buying in copper. And after buying, then if there is a very good confirmation for breaking down or any closing below 401, then we can go for a selling. In the next presentation we can see how we can trade in crude oil market. Yesterday crude oil market behaved very volatilely. This is the price opening where the market opened much higher above the previous day's high. This is the previous day high. Since the market opened above the previous day high and the closing previous day's closing is also opening is much higher than the previous day's close also. We expected good buying in this crude oil market, and the same way after the market opened, immediately it went higher till 3940 it went higher, but it couldn't sustain the zone. This is the reason why we have mentioned this zone 3860 and 3880. This is the zone where the market is finding it very difficult to break. See, this after reaching this zone it fell down, and previously also it couldn't break this zone and then fell down. It couldn't break this 3860 and again fell down. That is the reason we have marked this zone, and exactly after it couldn't sustain this buying and it fell down and broke this zone. Immediately after breaking this zone, it went inside this zone. The price stayed inside this zone, and again it took the great support here. Then it continuously went for a buying, and it closed around 3911. So on seeing this opening and closing, it's somewhat we can say the market trend is still in buying. So even though there was a huge drop and then it pulled back, the market trend can go for buying. Today you can expect crude oil to open around 3920 or much above 3920 to 3930. This is the zone where you can expect crude oil to open. So you can easily expect the market to open around this zone. Today we prefer buying in crude oil, and also today around 8 o'clock you have crude oil inventory report. So that can give you a very good price direction. In the inventory report, your clients should closely watch and monitor this zone 3860 and 3880. This 20-point zone is a very close zone. If the price is going to stay below this 20.3880, and if there is any closing below this, then you can expect a very good drop in crude oil market, because the crude oil is also consolidating. But even though it's in the daily price range of crude oil is higher, but still it is in a consolidation phase because it's struggling to break this zone and stay above or below this. So today we are expecting some buying in crude oil. So you can buy till this zone, and you can have 3850 as your stop loss again. So closely monitor this crude, and also trade and kindly remember you have crude oil inventory report around 8 o'clock. That can show you a very good price direction for crude oil. And also the target, as we mentioned, 4020 is our target, which we are expecting, because from 3920 we are expecting the market to go 100 points higher. That will be approximately above breaking this 4020 is previous high. This is the high, this area we are expecting. If the price is going higher today, surely you can expect the market to break this high, and you can, if there is any closing above that, you can further expect the market to go higher. So this is all what we are expecting today. Let's see what's going to happen. Happy trading, and closely watch the support and resistance for zinc and crude and copper. Thank you. Bye.